Good day, everyone! Welcome to another exciting aquaculture hands-on activity. Today, our learning takes us beyond the classroom, not to the fish pond this time, but to an open practice where our grade 12 TVL aquaculture students are developing one of the essential practical skills in aquaculture, throwing the cast net. This activity is part of our preparation for actual fish harvesting and for the upcoming national assessment, where students will demonstrate the competencies they have acquired throughout their aquaculture training. In aquaculture, knowledge is important, but practical skills are equally essential. Every successful aquaculture practitioner must know not only the theories behind fish production, but also how to perform the required task efficiently, safely, and confidently. Today, our students will practice, improve, and encourage one another as they work toward mastering this important competency. Come and join us as we witness another day of learning through experience. Understanding the importance of the cast net. The cast net is one of the most commonly used fishing gears in aquaculture and small-scale fisheries. Although it may look simple, throwing a cast net requires proper technique, balance, coordination, timing, and patience. A well-thrown cast net opens into a wide circular shape, allowing it to cover a larger area and increase the chances of catching fish efficiently. Mastering this skill takes continuous practice. Every throw becomes an opportunity to improve. Every mistake becomes another lesson. And every successful cast builds confidence. This is why today's activity is very important, not only for our future harvesting activities, but also for our students' national assessment. Learning the proper technique. Before throwing the cast net, students first review the correct procedure. They learn how to hold the hand line securely, arrange the net properly, and position their bodies for a balanced throw. Proper body posture is important because it helps the net spread evenly while preventing unnecessary strain or injury. Our students carefully listen to the instructions and observe demonstrations before performing the activity themselves. As they begin practicing, they realize that every movement matters, from gripping the net to releasing it at the right moment. Precision plays a big role in achieving a successful cast. Practice makes progress. One of the most inspiring parts of today's activity is watching our students practice repeatedly. Some throws open perfectly, others do not. But instead of becoming discouraged, they continue trying. Every attempt helps improve muscle memory, coordination, and confidence. In aquaculture, success is not achieved in a single throw. It is achieved through consistency, practice, and determination. Every practice session prepares our students to become more skilled and more confident in performing their task. Learning together. What makes today's activity even more meaningful is the spirit of teamwork!
Our students are not only practicing individually, they are also learning from one another. Those who have already mastered the technique willingly demonstrate the proper way of throwing the cast net. They share tips, correct mistakes, and encourage their classmates to keep trying. This kind of peer learning creates a positive learning environment where everyone has the opportunity to improve. Instead of competing against one another, they choose to grow together. This shows that learning becomes more meaningful when knowledge is shared. students teaching students. One of the most rewarding moments during today's activity is seeing students become teachers themselves. Those who quickly understand the proper technique patiently guide classmates who are still learning. They demonstrate each step slowly. They explain what to improve. They encourage their friends after every attempt. This reminds us that learning is not limited to teachers alone. Sometimes, the best lessons come from classmates who are willing to help. Teaching others also strengthens their own understanding because explaining a skill requires confidence and mastery. Today's activity proves that leadership can begin in simple ways, through kindness, patience, and the willingness to help others succeed. Preparing for the national assessment. Every practice throw today is one step closer to our national assessment. The national assessment measures not only what students know, but also what they can actually do. That is why continuous practice is essential. Our students are building confidence,
improving their techniques, and developing the competence expected of future aquaculture workers. By practicing today, they are preparing themselves not only to pass the assessment, but also to become work-ready individuals equipped with practical skills. Values beyond skills. Today's activity teaches more than technical knowledge. It teaches perseverance. It teaches discipline. It teaches patience. It teaches teamwork. Most importantly, it teaches our students that improvement comes through continuous practice. There may be unsuccessful throws today. There may be moments of frustration, but every challenge becomes part of the learning journey. Every attempt brings them one step closer to success. Looking ahead, the skills developed today will soon be applied during our actual harvesting activities. When the time comes to harvest fish from our ponds, the students will already have the confidence and experience needed to perform the task effectively. This is the essence of technical vocational education. Learning by doing, practicing with purpose, preparing the students for real-life work. To our hardworking grade 12 TVL Aquaculture students,
congratulations!
For your dedication and eagerness to learn, your willingness to practice repeatedly, support one another, and never give up reflects the qualities of future aquaculture professionals. Keep learning, keep improving, keep inspiring one another. Our sincere gratitude also goes to our school administration, parents, and everyone who continues to support our technical vocational education program. Your encouragement helps our students become competent, confident, and industry-ready graduates. Every cast of the net represents more than a fishing technique. It represents courage to try, the humility to learn, the patience to improve, and the commitment to help others grow. These are the values that will guide our students not only their national assessment but throughout their future careers. Thank you for joining us in today's Aquaculture hands-on activity. This is Grade 12 TVL Aquaculture, learning by doing, growing through experience, building skills for the future. See you in our next aquaculture adventure!